Today I will share how to make a split screen animation video in Canva. So let's start with it. So for this I will go to video and click on this video landscape, or you can choose this YouTube video landscape. So both are in the same dimension. Now after that I will write here blue gradient. And after that I will go to photos and click on see all to find this one, and as it is set here, and after that click on text, click on add a heading and write here Italy. Okay, and after that just select it again to change the font and use Anton. You can use any type of font you want, but I am choosing a partial long font which will be helpful for the split screen effect. Now I will just middle it. So this one is middle, and after that let's change the font color to white. And after that I will click on share, click on download, make sure the file type is in PNG and not in MP4 video, because you have used the video landscape, so it will by default get converted to a file type as MP4 video in the default feature, so you have to change it to PNG. Okay, just click on download now, and when this is downloaded just remove the text and right click it and detach image from background and remove it. Okay, and now just bring the text here and just make it to the same size as the canvas. Okay, and after that I will just duplicate it and place it here, and after that let's make it half, and this one also the same, and slightly increase it because otherwise it will create a cut effect which we don't want. As you can see, if we don't increase the this part, it will look like a cut effect. So we want to make a split screen effect and not a cut effect. And after that I will just move it below like this and move it above. Okay, and after that I will go to elements, and here I will search for a suitable travel theme related to Italy. So let's choose a simple one. So I will use this one, and as you can see the image is already set. Now I will click on R, okay, to activate a square and just bring it here and just make it smaller like this, and after that just duplicate it and place it in the corner. So make sure both are placed in the corners only, and after that just change the transparency to 0 for both of them. And now select this transparent layer and the above layer to group it, and after that select the below layer and this layer to group it. So both the layers are grouped. Now bring them in the first position. Make sure they are all in a straight line. So after that just make it to the same size of the canvas, which is 5 seconds, as you can see. So I will now duplicate it and duplicate it another time, and after that select these two and duplicate it, place this one this side, and again duplicate it, place this one this side. When this part is done, now bring the arrow in the middle and you will find add transition option. Click on it, click on match and move, and drag the cursor to the maximum, which is 2.5 seconds, and scroll down to find apply between all scenes and click on it. Okay, and after that when this is done, And when this part is done, now select the first one and move it to make it 2.5 seconds. Okay, and also select the middle one, make it to 3 seconds, and select this one, make it again 2.5 seconds. Okay, now we have to adjust the text also, so I will just adjust it. And I will adjust it here, and I will adjust it here, and I will bring this one here and adjust it. And after that, select the middle part. Okay, and this one, move it above. So just drag it down the video editor so that you can adjust it accordingly. And after that, select this layer and move it below. And the animation will look like this. So hope you like this tutorial and hope you have learned something out of it. So please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which tutorial you want to learn next. Thank you.